home, at school, at work, in the street, you will respect authority and you will obey the rules, just like everybody else. That's discipline. Most kids know that by the time they reach your age. Shut it and keep it shut.
Bastard! Cops are always on your back on this and step. Thinking from protection, they follow you everywhere. Say they are so nice to you, you say they really fair. How can be so stupid, do you really think they care? Bastard! They want to see you looking wrong, they want to see you fail. Doesn't matter what you do, they prove you give a trial. And then furious later when you get out on parade, they will do everything to put you back in jail. Bastard! Cops are always on your back on distance and step. Thinking for protection, they follow you everywhere. Say they are so nice to you, you say they really fair. How can you be so stupid, do you really